Hi guys, my name is Tracy and today I'm going to be reviewing hair from my friend's company called Jenhair. It's located in Vietnam, Hanoi, and they only sell 100% human hair. So today I'm going to be telling you about their hair, what I like about it, the quality and all that good stuff. So let's dive. So today the topic is about the differences between the luxury hair and the double drawn hair. So right here I have the luxury hair, and this is very soft. It's easy to dye it. It's 100% human, and these are 26 inches right here. 26 inches. Yes, this is their luxury hair. It's manufactured from babies, directly from babies. It's really soft. And this is, it's 14 inches. 14 inches of the luxury hair. Then this is the double drawn hair. You see, double drawn hair. It is 33 centimeters. And it's similar to the baby hair, the luxury hair, but this is gotten from adults, but it's also 100% human. So that's literally the only difference. This is from a baby and this is from adults. Yes, it's a mixture of baby, adults, but this is strictly baby. It's really soft, like you guys can even tell from the video. It's very soft, very smooth. It's gotten out of Vietnamese person's head. Like, that's why I really like Vietnamese hair, because they literally get it from a Vietnamese person's head. And like, what? It's really nice. So guys, some of the advantages of this hair, both this hair, you can have this hair for 10 years down the road, 20, it all depends on maintenance, but this hair you can have it for a very long time. It's durable. It's really durable. It's really soft, like you can see. Even when you join them together, they like blend like easily. It's very soft. You can dye it to any color that you want, bit red, bit blonde, whatsoever, and then you can even turn it back to black again and to another color again. It's really good. Like, you guys should have a look. Like, do you see that? Like, the length is, yeah, like what? Yeah. I think you guys are sold, because I, for one, I'm totally sold. Like, have a look at this. It's really nice, guys. Like, and even with their 14 inches, like, you can have a decent bob, like a decent 14 inches. No cheating, no nothing. Like, have a look at their 14 inches. Like, do you guys see how smooth, how long? One bundle only is really thick. Like, see how thick it is? You guys can have a look. Like, look at the size of the bundle. Like, it's really thick, guys. Like, it's really human hair. So guys, the main differences between the luxury hair and the double drawn hair is this hair is more durable than this one. You can use this for a longer time than this one. I'm not saying this is not good. It's good hair, but then this has a longer durability. Do you get what I'm saying? They are both smooth. Then the other difference is this one. It's easy to dye the luxury hair. It's easier than dyeing this one. Yeah. So guys, if you want to order any of this hair, I'm going to leave their Instagram down here, their WhatsApp, so you guys can get in touch, order some Vietnamese hair, get you some Vietnamese hair, look good, slay girl, yeah. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. I love you guys. Mwah.